Namaste. Hello, my name is Leliah Devi. I'm an Ashtanga yoga practitioner and teacher. This course is Introduction to Ashtanga Yoga for Beginners. I'll be teaching you some of the basic and fundamental postures from the Ashtanga primary series and leaving out some of the more challenging postures that may be best learned from a qualified teacher. Through this series of videos, you'll learn slowly over time. Each week, you'll be given a sequence which it's best to memorize and practice 4 to 6 times per week before proceeding on to subsequent videos or lessons. Remember to always listen to the signals of your body. Don't push too hard. Move with your breath. And above all, enjoy your practice. Namaste. Thank you for joining me in this Ashtanga Yoga for Beginners video course. Ideally, Ashtanga Yoga is learned slowly over time through practice in the presence of a qualified teacher. This course is intended to help you become familiar with the vinyasa and foundational postures of Ashtanga's primary series. Always move with your breath. And feel free to practice the modifications that I offer. So in Chaturanga, for example, that low plank position, you can put your knees down to help you keep the body straight as you lower down until your body is parallel with the floor. So taking time to build the strength necessary to do the full posture. That's just one example. I'll offer many modifications throughout the course. We begin with a chant, the opening mantra, thanking the lineage of gurus who have brought us this wonderful practice. Stand in Samastitihi with your hands in Anjali Mudra for the opening mantra. Vande Gurunam Charanarvinde Sandarashita Swatma Sukhavapothe Nishreyase Jangale Kayamane Samsara Hala Hala Mohashantaye Abahu Purushakaram Shankachakra Siddharanam Sahasra Shirasam Shvetam Pranamami Patanjalim Om. Exhale the hands by the sides, standing in the posture known as Samastitihi. The feet are together at the front of the mat, the base of the big toes touches. Ground the feet and energize the legs, drawing the kneecaps up slightly by engaging the quadriceps. Have a neutral pelvis with the tailbone reaching toward the heels and the pelvic floor toning up. The lowest quadrant of the abdomen draws in towards the spine and up. Lifting from the heart, roll the shoulders back and down and lengthen up through the crown of the head. Establish Nasagra Drishti, gazing at the tip of the nose, and Ujjayi breathing or free breathing through the nose with sound, so producing a soft, gentle, steady sound at the back of the throat by very gently contracting the muscles around the glottis. If that's not happening right now, just breathe through your nose. We'll begin, as always, with Suryanamaskara A, the sun salutation. I'll count the vinyasa in Sanskrit. Ekam, inhale, lift the arms, stretch the body up, press the palms together, look up at the thumbs. Dwe, exhale, fold forward, hands on the floor, head down. Bend the knees if you need to. Trini, inhale, lift the chest, head up, look at the tip of the nose. You can keep the hands flat or come onto the fingertips or even press the palms against the shins. Chatwari, exhale, place the hands flat on the floor, step back to a nice strong plank position and bend the elbows to lower down as you exhale. Chaturanga. Pancha, flip the feet, inhale into upward dog, bringing the heart forward, rolling the shoulders back, keeping the legs active. Shat, exhale, lift the hips up and back. You can adjust the feet as you come into downward facing dog for 5 deep breaths. 1. The feet are hip width apart, pressing the heels to the floor. 2, reaching the hips and the pelvis up and back. 3, draw the low belly in and gaze toward your navel, Nabhi Chakra Drishti. 4, ground the hands and the fingertips, the base of the fingertips. Stretch the shoulders. And 5, bending your knees, shift your gaze forward, and Sapta for the first one, just step forward, lift the chest, head up. Same as the third position. Ashto, exhale, fold deeply forward, same as the second position. Nava, inhale, stand up, reach up, press the palms together, look at the thumbs, and exhale the arms by the side. Samastitihi. Again. Ekam, inhale, tilt the head back behind the arms, stretch up. Dwe, exhale, fold forward, ribs to the thighs, head down. Trini, inhale, lift the chest open, and exhale, step back, keep the elbows into the sides as you lower down. Here I'm demonstrating you can put the knees down as you lower till your torso is parallel to the floor, or you can even come all the way down to the floor before inhaling into either cobra or ideally upward facing dog. Don't lock the elbows. Exhale, shot into downward facing dog position. Breathe deeply. You can bend your knees if you need to help keep your back straight, and over time work the legs straight and even press the heels into the floor. Breathing deeply. 2. 3, relax the neck, hollow out the belly. 4, keep the arms straight and the legs strong. And 5, as you finish the exhale, you can bend your knees. So coming into a crouch as though preparing to jump, shift your gaze forward. Again, this time just stepping forward while we warm the body up. Inhaling, lift the chest. This is Sapta. Ashto, exhale, deep forward bend. Nava, inhaling with strong legs, reach up, inhale the whole way. And exhale, Samastitihi. Ekam, inhale, grounding through the feet. Dwe, exhale, flexion of the spine, head down. Trini, inhale, extension, lift the head, look at the nose tip. Chatwari, exhale, jump this time to a strong plank and lower down. Chaturanga. Pancha, inhale, roll the shoulders back, open the chest. Shot, lifting from the hips up and back into downward facing dog for 5 deep breaths. 1. Feet are hip width apart, legs engaged. 2. 3, you can protract the shoulders. So stretching the shoulders and widening through the collarbones and the back of the shoulder blades. 4. 5, bend the knees and jump, inhaling Sapta, lift the chest, head up. Ashto, exhale, fold forward, head down. Nava, inhale all the way up, pressing the palms together, look at the thumbs. Samastitihi. Ekam, inhale, head back, straight arms. Dwe, exhale, try to press your palms to the floor. Bend the knees only if you need to. Trini, inhale, head up. Chatwari, exhale, jump back. Elbows hug the rib cage as you lower until you're parallel to the floor. And then inhaling, upward dog. And shot, roll over the toes if you can, keeping the ankles straight into downward dog. Breathing deeply. 1. Keep the hips and the sit bones reaching up and back. 2. Gazing towards the navel or in the direction of the navel. 3. The neck is long, the head can hang down. 4. And 5. Exhaling completely, bend the knees, shift the gaze and jump. Inhaling, lift the chest, head up. Ashto, exhale, fold deeply forward, hug the thighs. Inhale all the way up, reach up, look at the thumbs. And exhale, Samastiti. Last one. Ekam, inhale, stretch the body, ground through the legs, and Dwe, exhale, the rib cage to the thighs. Trini, inhale, head up, and Chatwari, exhale, use your core strength to keep that strong plank as you lower down. Pancha, roll over the toes, keep the legs engaged and lifting, upward dog. Shot, rolling back over the toes into downward dog, so we're lifting from the core. 1. Ground the base of the fingers spread wide, and the wrists straight, so in line with the mat. 2. Press the floor away with both the hands and the feet. 3. Try to find a hollowness in the low belly and toning up the muscles of the pelvic floor. 4. 5. Bend the knees and jump. Inhaling, lift the chest, lengthen the spine, head up. Ashto, exhale, fold deeply forward. Nava, inhale, stand up, reach up, look at the thumbs, press the palms. Samastitihi. Good. We'll move on to finishing postures. So taking a seat in Sukhasana, the easy cross-legged position. The hands can take Yana Mudra, sometimes called Chin Mudra, with the first finger and thumb touching, this gesture of wisdom. The fingers are straight, the arms straight, spine straight. Ground through your sit bones. The spine is self-supported along a vertical central axis. So drawing up from the crown of the head, the chin can tuck slightly down. Gaze at the tip of your nose. This is Nasagra Drishti, the nose tip gaze. Breathe deeply with sound. 10 deep breaths here. You can practice Mula Bandha, the root lock. Found at the end of the exhalation, really press out all the air. See if you can tone up, squeeze the muscles of the pelvic floor, so around the perineum. In women, maybe around the cervix, a lifting, awakening, energizing of the pelvic floor. That's Mula Bandha. Uddiyana Bandha, flying upward lock. The lowest part of the belly draws in towards the spine and up. So a little bit of drawing in, keeping the low belly still, but not in any way restricting the free movement and expansion of the diaphragm. We're breathing into the rib cage, feeling the intercostal muscles expand, filling the lungs completely by keeping the very lowest part of the abdomen fairly still. This is Tristana, the three-pointed focus of asana, drishti, and breath. Finally, lie down and take a rest. This can be called Shavasana or the corpse pose. In Ashtanga, we usually just say, take rest. So lie down, let your feet fall open naturally, the palms turn up to the ceiling. Close your eyes and relax your entire body and your mind. So everything becomes soft and passive. The muscles around the jaw can become soft. The muscles around the eyes and temples relax. Release the bandhas and relinquish any control over the breath. Just rest. Always stay in Shavasana for at least 5 to 10 minutes after your practice. The assignment for this week is to practice Suryanamaskara A 5 times, plus Sukhasana, the seated posture, while practicing Ujjayi breathing or free breathing through the nose with sound. Mula Bandha and Uddiyana Bandha very gently, and Nasagra Drishti, the nose tip gaze. And then take rest for at least 5 minutes. I recommend that you do this very early in the morning, so soon after arising, with an empty stomach. Ashtanga yoga is a discipline that requires sacrifice at times. It's more important to establish an ongoing discipline of daily or almost daily practice than it is to achieve some external form or advanced asana. So take the time that it needs for your body and nervous system to become accustomed to practice before moving on to video number 2, Suryanamaskara B. Thank you. Namaste.